Kavya.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine.
What is there beside you, that colorful object?
This is a Rubik cube.
What do you do with this?
I can solve this.
Show me, what is this? Show me, give me. Let us see this from every side. Kavya, this is an unsolved one, I think.
Yes,
Isn't it?
yes,
Will you show me how do you do it?
yes.
Very excited to see how do you do this. Take your time and let's start. Your time starts now, Kavya. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my god, you're moving it too fast.
See, I have solved the Rubik cube.
Oh wow. Nice.
Thank you.
Show me. Oh, this is being solved from every side. I can see a single color on one side. How many sides are there?
6.
Six, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are of single color. Nice. Well done, well done.
Thank you.